people here, how many kids here have ever gotten upset? Raise your hand. How many kids have ever gotten mad? Raise your hand. You never got mad? How many kids here have ever had somebody else make them mad? How many kids here have ever had somebody else make them sad? Okay. How many kids here have ever had somebody try to hurt your feelings? Okay. So, if you're sitting hands there, touch your nose, bubble your mouth, let's do this. Can you guys just scoot over down that way so I can just walk up and down? Keep going, keep shooting, keep shooting, keep shooting, keep shooting. Okay. I like the way you have a bubble in your mouth. I like the way you have a bubble in your mouth. So, when I was a little kid, I had somebody in my school who some of the teachers called a herder. They were trying to hurt my feelings. And what I was taught when I was a little kid was that other people can hurt my feelings and other people can make me mad. And then my yensei, my yogarati teacher, taught me something different. See, when we were little kids, okay, I'm going to move this cone away from you, that way it's easier for you. So when we were little kids, sometimes if somebody made you mad, let's say someone didn't share. Ever have somebody that didn't like to share with you? Or someone said a mean word? So sometimes you have a parent or a teacher that might say to you something like, tell him how he makes you feel when he says those words. Or maybe you had a teacher or a parent tell you, tell him how he makes you feel. Tell her how he made you feel when she didn't share with you. So what you've been taught as a little kid and adults, this goes for you too. We've been taught that other people can make us feel some way. We've been taught that other people can make us mad. We've been taught that other people can make us sad. And really, that's not true. What happens is we have this computer. What's inside our skull? What is this? Our what? Our brain. Our brain is like a computer. It's like a laptop. It's like a phone. It's very, very smart. Remember when I asked you before, can thunder hurt me? Can sounds hurt you? But words are just sounds. So this is what really happens. Are you ready? You hear, somebody says words to you. You hear the words. Your computer brain makes the words mean something, and then you respond or react to them, meaning you'll get upset. But because you haven't been taught that all this happens in your brain, you look at other people as they're the ones that are in charge of you. See, nobody can make you feel any way. You get to be super powerful superheroes, and you can make yourself feel any way. Can somebody get you mad, or do you get you mad? Can somebody make you sad, or do you make you sad? So what I do is I use my and shield.